Git error. Detached head. What is a detached head? A detached head state happens when Git is not pointing to a branch, but directly to a specific commit. It means you checked out a commit instead of a branch. Head is not attached to any branch. You are in a temporary state. New commits may be lost if not saved. Why it matters? New commits are not on any branch. Work can disappear. Confusing for beginners. Can break workflow. So this state equals not on branch plus risky commits plus temporary position. Why detached head happens? Detached head usually happens when you check out a commit hash. You check out a tag. You use Git checkout less than commit greater than. You inspect old history. You use Git switch, detach. Without fixing it. Crossmark new commits are not tracked. Crossmark hard to return to branch. Crossmark risk of losing work. Crossmark confusing Git state. Crossmark history becomes messy. With proper handling, check mark work is preserved. Check mark you can return to branch. Check mark no data loss. Check mark cleaner workflow. Check mark safer development. Typical situations where detached head appears. Common scenarios. Checking old commit. Checking a release tag. Debugging past bug. Running CI checkout. Following tutorial blindly. Example. Command. Git checkout A1B2C3D. Why? Not a branch name. Git points directly to commit. Head becomes detached. How Git shows detached head? Git message looks like you are in detached head state. Meaning, head points to commit. No branch is active. Commits are not saved to branch. You must create branch to keep work. Why? Git warns you. Prevents silent loss. Asks for decision. Basic troubleshooting steps. First checks. Run Git status. Check branch name. Look for detached message. Confirm commit or tag. Why? Confirms state. Prevents mistakes. Avoids panic. Fix 1. Go back to a branch. If you don't need changes, run Git switch main. Or your branch name. Why? Safest fix. No new commits lost. Returns to normal state. Bad practice. Crossmark stay detached. Crossmark keep committing. Crossmark ignore warning. Good practice. Check mark return to branch. Check mark verify status. Check mark continue work. Fix 2. Create a branch to save work. If you already made commits, run Git switch see my new branch. Why? Saves your commits. Attaches head to branch. Prevents data loss. Bad practice. Crossmark check out another branch without saving. Crossmark reset hard. Crossmark delete history. Good practice. Check mark create branch immediately. Check mark name it clearly. Check mark push it. Fix 3. Tag inspection without editing. If only viewing history, use git log, git show, instead of git checkout less than commit greater than. Why? Avoids detaching. Safer inspection. No state change. Fix 4. Reattach head properly. Steps. Find your branch. Check out branch. Merge or cherry pick commit if needed. Why? Keeps history. Reattaches safely. Preserves changes. Daily workflow to avoid detached head. Safe workflow. Always work on branches. Avoid checking out raw commits. Use tags carefully. Verify branch before commit. Run Git status often. Why? Prevents mistakes. Keeps commits safe. Predictable workflow. Common mistakes with detached head. Committing without branch. Switching branches without saving. Ignoring Git warning. Resetting detached commits. Following tutorials blindly. Why? Commits disappear. Work is lost. History breaks. Naming and branch practices. Good structure. Feature, login. Feature, payment. Hotfix, null check. Release, version 2.1.0. Why? Easy tracking. Safe commits. No detached risk. How detached head affects teams. When it happens, commits vanish. Pull requests miss changes. Developers redo work. CI may fail. With proper handling. Check mark saved commits. Check mark cleaner branches. Check mark fewer accidents. Check mark stable workflow. Real life analogy. Detached head is like stopping your car in the middle of the road. Without parking, you can't save location. With parking, branch, your position is saved. Branch equals parking. Commit equals road spot. Head equals your car. In simple words, detached head means you are not on a branch. Git is pointing to a commit. Your work is unsafe. Fix equals go back to branch. Or create new branch. Then continue work. Best practices to avoid detached head. Use check mark always create branches. Check mark check branch before commit. Check mark use Git switch. Check mark name branches clearly. Check mark push regularly. Avoid cross mark committing on detached head. Cross mark random commit checkout. Cross mark ignoring warnings. Cross mark reset without backup. Detached head is not an error. It is Git warning you. A good workflow. Check mark uses branches. Check mark saves commits. Check mark avoids lost work. Check mark keeps history clean. Your Git branch controls your future commits. Don't work without one.